हुई है क्या स्टार्ट? हाँ हुई।
Oh, start हो गया, recording started. Okay, so simple questions हम अभी दो तीन questions लेने वाले हैं आज के लिए. तो आज पहला question हम ये लेंगे that what should one do after a gap of 3 to 4 years of gap due to government exam preparation after pass out in mechanical engineering? Is there any hope? So Pratha, this is like मैंने से पहले ही बोला, this is a casual discussion. You are a software engineer working in a good company, having 5 years experience. Suppose I am having around 12 years experience in IT industry, and I've seen the industry. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि we are just discussing and sharing with the people because बहुत सारे लोगों को idea नहीं है. ठीक है, तो अभी कोरा पे मैंने बहुत सारा आंसर लिखा है and I have got more than 2 million views. Okay, so people are not on YouTube. People are not aware of that thing, correct? So YouTube has a different crowd. Quora has a different crowd. तो हम लोग मैंने क्या सोचा है कि Quora पे जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है वो बहुत सारे लोग को YouTube पे भी यूजफुल हो गए. उस पर्पज से we are trying to make it on YouTube. ठीक है, so ये मेरा first we can say video where we'll discuss Q&A with like sometimes I'll do on my own, sometimes I'll discuss with you. Okay, so let's start. So iska what do you think, Pratha, ki a person is asking, है ना, is requesting, okay, requesting me. So what should we can suggest to this person?
So for this person, we
Yes, this person.
if he is interested, he or she is interested in IT companies, so he can do any courses or
Okay,
like React or front end courses. And
okay, but if you see the question, they have not, he has not written, he or she has not written that they want a job in IT only.
Okay.
Are you getting my point? So उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं पूछा है कि अच्छा मुझे IT में जॉब मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. उसने पूछा है कि मैंने गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लिए तैयारी किया, मुझे गवर्नमेंट जॉब नहीं मिला, and I am a mechanical engineer. So अब क्या करें? What should one do? So IT is one of the option. Okay, I agree with you. IT is one of the option. But is there any other option? What do you think? Which he can pursue and see government में नहीं होगा because government has a lot of competition. So what do you think? What you any idea which you can like share or you based on your experience? What we should suggest to that person? What they should do? Apart from IT, like do you think there's any other hope or any other thing which a person can pursue based he is a mechanical engineer?
Sir, there are some courses in mechanical engineering also, no? So he can do it.
Courses like CAD, CAM, you're saying that?
Right, sir.
CAD, CAM, or some specialization you were saying, trying to say that, you know? Okay, correct. So yeah, good answer. So Pratha, yeah, correct. So basically, yeah, you're right. Key, since this person is a mechanical engineer, first they should try in their field only because mechanical engineering is also a very nice field. It has a lot of scope and very good career, stable and long career as compared to IT. IT has a lot of up and downs, you know, but in mechanical it is like more stable and long and evergreen career. So based on that, what I can suggest that yes, he can first try in his particular field. Like he can try in mechanical only. Okay, there's a gap 3 to 4 years, but it's not like that he can't get job in any of the company in entire India. There are millions of SME, small and medium enterprise in India. तो अगर आपके पास थोड़ा सा भी skills नहीं बोलूँगा, at least degree है, technical degree has a value. So if you go to some small scale sector where you're ready to work hard, you want to restart your career, you can visit a lot of small towns, small cities. You go to this industrial, like we have MIDC in Pune. So we have different industrial corridors. Up job, you go, you explore those industries, try to make some networking, meet with people, go out of your home. घर बैठे बैठे कुछ नहीं होगा, बाहर निकलो. You try to explore where talk with those people who are working in those companies. Okay, small scale में जाओ, big companies में definitely आपको entertain नहीं करेगा कोई. तो स्मॉल कंपनीज बहुत सारी स्टार्टअप्स होती है, दे विल पे यू लेस, नो डाउट दे विल पे यू वेरी लेस सैलरी, समटाइम्स यू विल से आई एम दे आर एक्सप्लॉइटिंग मी, बट क्या बोलते हैं ना कि जरूरत के समय हमें सबको गले लगाना पड़ता है। तो इफ यू नीड, यू अर्जेंटली नीड समथिंग, ठीक है थोड़ा कम सैलरी मिले, बट इफ somebody is giving you some kind of job, definitely आगे जाके you will gain something, so you can start. So mechanical में ही आप try करो, you can definitely get in the small scale companies because 3 to 4 years is acceptable. It is a big gap but acceptable. हाँ, अगर आपका 8 से 10 साल होता है तो I would say कि there is almost no hope, but 8 से 10 साल नहीं है तो 3 to 4 years में chances है कि you can get. Second है कि if you want to go for higher studies, you can go for MBA, you can go for MTech. So don't lose hope कि अच्छा गवर्नमेंट में नहीं हुआ तो बाकी जगह भी नहीं होगा. No, it's not like that. So if you think government is like not working for me, what is the next possible option? You can go for higher studies also. You can go for MBA, you can go for MTech, you can go for MSc economics. There's a lot of scope for MSc MA economics. बिकॉज आज जो मार्केट में चला हुआ है डेटा साइंस डेटा एनालिटिक्स, उसका बेस क्या है? उसका बेस तो वही है ना, बेस लर्निंग. So those things you can learn on in MSc का economics. Just explore the syllabus. तो बहुत सारे options है. We can't cover this thing every in one video. But I'm just trying to don't. There's no point of losing any hope. Life is tough. Everybody goes through that. ठीक है. Life में many people don't get a job itself. Lot of problems happen in the life. Sometimes you get not well, lot of things happens. तो इसमें कोई बड़ा बात नहीं है, ठीक है. गवर्नमेंट जॉब इतने सारे लोग ट्राई करते हैं, there are very limited seats in the government job, so difficult है क्रैक करना. इट्स ओके, you are not the only one, but yeah, since you have a degree, why not to first try in your field only. A last option तो IT है ही. अगर if some nothing is working out, IT is a very good opportunity. There you can try. उसके लिए हमने already video बनाया. You can watch those videos, go through my answer. I'm not going to get. IT is also option is open. Is you can get jobs in smaller companies and startups. So possible है. Okay. So but ऐसा नहीं है कि IT option है. Mechanical में भी job मिल सकता है आपको. You can get job as a teacher also, but teaching job I will not suggest in the first go unless until you have a good higher degree like MTech degree or PhD. Okay. Otherwise you'll get very less salary. So you can explore, a lot of things are there, okay, but there's no point of losing hope. So I guess that is it. Now let's go to next question which people have asked. How can I become data scientist or analytics with less money? Oh, very interesting question. If you have less money, then how can you become data scientist or analytics? Data analytics, how is it possible also or not? So its answer will be very big, but before giving my opinion or suggestion, Pratha, I'm not sure you have any idea on this thing, but do you want to like comment on this thing? Yeah.
Yeah, any idea for data science?
You don't. Okay, you don't have much idea. Okay, no issues. I will answer this thing. No issues. So basically, data science, कुछ भी नहीं है. It's like one more skills. Like somebody is a backend developer, somebody is a front-end developer. It is a skill. Similarly, if you learn machine learning and all those things, it's a skill. आजकल उसको data science बोल के बहुत ज़्यादा hype किया जाता है market में. That is a very big thing and all those things, but actually it is not. It's just like another skill which you can learn. And उसमें machine learning पढ़ना पड़ता है and how to use those things. Python के basis पे ज़्यादा. You have like what I can say. The algorithms are libraries are already in Python, so it's not a very rocket science or something like that. Anybody can learn those things, okay? But point है कि whether you will get a job or not, आपने कोर्स किया, कहीं से भी कोर्स किया, whether you get a job or not, ठीक है? तो वो again that is very difficult to comment because generally क्या होता है, companies, what kind of like if you're a fresher, okay? So how to become data scientist, ठीक है, or live with less money, ठीक है? इसका बहुत simple answer. Data scientist is also a software engineer, okay? वो भी एक software company में ही काम करता है. It's not like he's working in some other division. So data scientist जो भी बोल रहे हो, marketing correct ना किया जा रहा है, it's not right. He's ultimately a software engineer. और सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर कैसे बनते हो, सॉफ्टवेयर सीख के आप यू लर्न सम स्किल्स यू बिकम दैट। तो इसका बहुत सिंपल आंसर है कि अगर आपको इस फील्ड में जाना है, फर्स्ट यू ट्राई टू एंटर इनटू आईटी इंडस्ट्री बाय बिकमिंग अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर। ठीक है, आप सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बन जाओगे, या सपोज आप फ्रेशर हो, ओके, यू गेट योर फर्स्ट जॉब इन एनी टेक्नोलॉजी, बट डजंट मैटर, you are from computer science, IT, and you get a job as a software engineer in any company, you grab it, आप अंदर आ जाओ। once you get a job in any company as a software engineer, whatever technology, आप जावा में काम करो, .NET में काम करो, किसी में भी काम करो, doesn't matter, okay, you first you have to learn programming. Programming is the base, algorithms, so algorithms you have to master, okay, and you have to become good in that, then only you can become good in this thing, because data science has a lot of analytical mindset, तो उतना इजी नहीं होता, वंस फ्रेशर को कंसीडर भी नहीं किया जाता है इसमें। तो अगर आपको इस फील्ड में जाना है तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू बिकम अ गुड सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, a very good programmer, and to learn how software works and all those things. And once you do that thing, then you can definitely try to learn, gain some knowledge on machine learning on your own. You can learn from online courses nowadays, it is not very costly, and you can do some projects on your own, and then you can try inside your company only. So this is the best way, without investing any money you can get a job, because अगर आपका प्लेसमेंट किसी कंपनी में हुआ है, ठीक है, आपके पास एक पर्टिकुलर स्किल्स है, जावा का, .NET का, whatever, if you upgrade yourself, if you acquire certain more skills, then tomorrow you can ask your manager कि sir मुझे shift करो, because I have those skills and I am interested in that thing, so you might get a chance, okay. Or there is one more way in which you can go to your current field as data scientist, is that you first try to learn some allied technology, मतलब जो इससे related होता है, जैसे क्या related है डेटा साइंस से डेटा इंजीनियर। So instead of directly going for data science, you try to learn the skills which is required for data engineer, like big data क्या है, what is Databricks, and what is these things, and उसमें SQL तो यूज होता ही है, ठीक है। So first you try this thing. So suppose you get a job as a data engineer, big data, so definitely you will work along with people or the team which are working on machine learning, and definitely ऐसा बहुत quietly possible है। तो क्या होगा, you will get some exposure कि अच्छा वो क्या होता है, real world में ये कैसे काम करता है। तो and tomorrow if you also learn along with them, tomorrow you can also get a chance to become data scientist, no big deal। तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपको कोई बड़ा कोर्सेज करना है, और जो कोर्सेज करता है सबको प्लेसमेंट नहीं होता है, सबका क्या, इवन 10% लोग को प्लेसमेंट नहीं होता है, ठीक है। आप अगर डेटा निकालो देखोगे कौन से इंस्टीट्यूट का पैसा है जिसका 10% भी प्लेसमेंट है, आई एम चैलेंजिंग यू, अब देखो, ठीक है, वो क्या होते हैं, एक दो लोग का प्लेसमेंट होता है, उनको ही वो प्रमोट करते हैं, दैट इज नॉट रियल। तो कोई बिग डील नहीं डेटा साइंस में जॉब करना, आराम से मिल जाएगा, बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू बिकम अ गुड सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर विद गुड कोडिंग स्किल्स, okay, then you can slowly move to that field, quite possible। so step by step job, first software engineer बनो, then try to become a data engineer, उसमें big data सीखो, बाकी चीज क्या होता है वो सीखो, and then you can learn machine learning and all those things, so add on होगा, definitely if possible, if you are very passionate about that thing, आप में वो you are capable enough, and so definitely you will get, it's not like that you have to invest a lot of money in all those things, nothing like that, okay। So this is just a myth कि अच्छा आपको कोई कोर्स करना है 1 ईयर का पीजी डिप्लोमा है, उससे कोई बेनिफिट नहीं होता है ज्यादा, इट इज लाइक it's not the real thing। okay, so let's move to the last question। okay, so can I enter IT field after completing BCom? If yes, how and what are jobs can I get in the field? So Pratha, what do you think, what is possible after doing a BCom degree?
After doing BCom degree,
yeah, if you see this question, तो क्या पूछ रहा है कि अगर आपका बीकॉम कंप्लीट हो गया तो कैन ही और सी गेट अ जॉब इन आईटी फील्ड?
सर ऐसे डायरेक्टली तो जॉब नहीं मिलेगा बीकॉम के डिग्री पे, बट इफ यू हैव कोडिंग स्किल्स देन यू कैन एंटर इनटू आईटी इंडस्ट्री।
ओके, करेक्ट, कोडिंग स्किल्स, बट ओके फाइन, या you are right, नहीं obviously बीकॉम डिग्री पे कुछ जॉब नहीं मिले, that is why they are asking, see how can I enter IT field and how and what are the jobs I can get? So its simple answer is that you can enter into IT industry, but you can't be at par with computer engineer. So suppose a person has done BTech in computer, you can't compete with them, and don't try to compete with them. Okay, in the first instance, later on you can do, but starting don't try to do that thing because it will no benefit. Second of all, you have to understand there are a lot of jobs in IT, but try to see that what are the jobs where you can compete with a BTech engineer. Okay, so and what are those jobs? The third point, जहां पर कंपनी डजंट डिस्क्रिमिनेट बेस्ड ऑन द डिग्री. अच्छा आपके पास बीटेक है तो आप अंदर आ जाओ, आप एमसीए तो अब यू आर वेलकम, बट यू आर बीकॉम यू आर नॉट वेलकम. ऐसा भी होता है, कंपनीज प्रेफर एमसीए एंड बीटेक बीटेक कंपनीज देन आईटी. ओके, so what are those jobs? Those are actually mostly back-end jobs like databases, data warehousing, like your back-end development. ये क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, ये सब में क्या होता है, यू नीड कंप्यूटर साइंस बैकग्राउंड. तो इसमें आपको जनरली कंपनी एंटरटेन नहीं करती है. Okay, so if you are a BCom as a fresher, you want to enter into IT industry, so the best way to do is you become a UI developer or UI designer. If you want to develop a website, just design of it. You just need to learn HTML and CSS. Okay, so if you want to become a UI designer, आपको programming भी नहीं सीखना है, coding भी नहीं सीखना है, just become HTML CSS and you can become a UI designer, get a job. If you learn UI development, you have to learn HTML, CSS plus a programming language like JavaScript. So you become a UI developer. Okay, then you can learn either Angular or React. तो वो आपको benefit होगा UI developer बनने में, ठीक है. But वो आपको choice है. Developer has more like a good salary, which is as good as a software engineer. Okay, UI developer is also like a software engineer. So that is also वहाँ पर आपको like company will not discriminate much. Little bit they will discriminate because a BTech degree and a technical degree is always preferred, है ना. But still UI developer में आपको उतना you will not face a lot of problems. There is good chances there. Then I can suggest you, if you learn some PHP frameworks which are used to develop e-commerce websites, like Shopify is there, the other PHP frameworks like Magento is there. There are a lot of PHP frameworks. इसमें बहुत सारा वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट होता है, like Joomla is there. उसमें डिग्री से उतना कोई लेना देना नहीं होता है. You can try that thing. They also pay decently. They will not pay as good as a Java developer, or you can't, and you can't expect also, no, because your degree is different. You can't expect the salary has to be par with that thing. But if you need a very nice salary, then go for UI development, because UI development, Angular and React, people are really well paid. You can go for mobile app development also. Mobile app में भी UI होता है. उसमें you can learn React Native, Flutter and all those things. Okay, so already मैं एक videos बनाया इसके लिए. You can, if you want to watch in details, you can go through my YouTube videos. You can get all those things. And I'm not writing here, but I'm just repeating what I've already made in video. Okay, so it's possible. Okay, so with this thing, I will stop this video. As clear, we covered 3 questions only. It took almost 15 minutes and more than that. Later on, we can cover more questions tomorrow. So I guess it will help you guys. So keep tuned to this my channel, and I will come with more Q&A, which will help all the freshers and people who are looking for good answers. And you can also follow me on Quora, and you can post the answers there also. On LinkedIn also you can follow me. And if you have anything, you can message me or connect me on LinkedIn. And okay, let's meet you next time. Thank you.